In the past videos, we have created a lot of workflows regarding Slack automation. To get Slack recent activity, to know how many channels are made in last 24 hours, how many leads we got in last 7 days, the projects are working, to get an overall summary. For each use case, we are building a workflow on n8n for Slack. There are few examples like this one, and here are a lot of other workflows that are available. But then the Claude code came and it changed everything. So you just have to define the goal, the steps, and it take care of everything. It do all of the process one by one, bring all of the results, and then present you how many channels are made, what's happening in each channel, and everything. Just like a teammate, and it bring you all of the stats. So here is a use case. I asked it to act as a freelancer, go to this Slack channel and study everything. For I remember I have made workflows that take all of the Slack channel summary, all channel messages, then we refine it to remove the reactions and all other unnecessary information. Then that is passed to OpenAI API to bring a summary. That was also has a lot of cost because it was sending thousands of messages to OpenAI API. That's why we were compressing that chat as well. But this thing with just a single prompt, it can go there, it can read the transcript, it can read all of the chat, it can read all of the files in that, and then bring the final summary in multiple steps. If you see, it defined multiple steps: analyze Slack channel, view uploaded transcripts, analyze meeting details, scope from all sources, and then it identified the key requirements and deliverable to prepare a 5 to 6 line statement of work with plan. So this is a beauty. Like you can ask open-ended question. It is not like you don't need to be well defined. So this is where Cowork is winning. It also prepared this beautiful document. If I had to do the same thing n8n, I need to define some notes to get to this point like this. At this point, it's not like that because there are many cases that Cowork can handle. We have tested it. Like there is one more that I can show you. Check Slack activity and summarize. So I asked it to go to Slack, see 24 hours what happened there, and give me a summary without defining a skill. It brought some public channels. That was not the purpose. So I asked it to go to check private channels. It went again, it checked the private channels, and it faced multiple errors. It automatically corrected itself. It brought all of the channels that were available there. Then it prepared the summary, like from last 7 days, the channel that are not active. It beautifully presented it to me. So the summary is like you can ask open-ended question and it can answer all of it. Instead of defining the complete workflows, it can go there and study all of it. And also once we do like 3-4 tasks, we can define skills in Cowork, and there are many websites available on the internet that provide us those skills. We just have to download it and upload it in our Claude, and it is ready to use. But still there are many cases like where we will be using n8n. So for example, based on Slack activity, we have to trigger some workflows based on Slack activity, or we have to fill some forms that are there in Slack based on user reaction. So n8n is giving amazing performance there, and those things cannot be handled here in Cowork. Similarly, for Notion, we created some workflows that can go to Notion database to create some particular tasks that are well defined, that are very like hard coded. But here we can do like a lot more. So I just asked it to read all Notion page title, database title, and give me the ideas to arrange for better full visibility. It went there, it scanned everything, it scanned all of the databases, it scanned all the pages, and it gave me the recommended structure for my agency, for my clients, for sales department, for meetings, SOPs. It arranged everything very well. It took like 5 steps here, and there were 10 steps in another workflow somewhere that it followed to bring everything on one page. So at the end, if I just show you the results, everything is optimized. My AI data house, my company, personal planner, our AI data house, school, community, all things are archived, and there are subcategories in each of those departments. So these are just 2 scenarios where I compared both of these tools and how they are working and where the world is going. In last few months, we have done dozens of projects on n8n, on Claude Code as well, but this Cowork is something new. If you like, we will be exploring it. We will be doing many more things here. We will keep sharing it with you. What is your thought process? What do you think where these tools are going and how you are going to use these tools in your day-to-day life? Tell me in comments.